So on the new microwave, we have where the bolts go right here. You can see when I pull this up, this metal is very thin. So if you have a space there, you're going to tighten this and you're not going to be able to feel it get tight, and you might over tighten it, and in some cases these can pop right out. So I'm going to cut a 4-inch by 4-inch block for both sides and install them here so that it will have something to tighten to. I'm also going to have to rip these down because this recess is 1 inch. Usually it's 3/4, but not in my case. We're actually going to make this 3 by 3 because it's so close to the edge. This is where the old one was. That was pretty close to this. It may have been okay, but it's better to surround that completely. So that'll be plenty. And I'll just put 1 screw in. This is a drywall screw. It doesn't really matter because all we're doing is sandwiching this, holding it in place for now. Other side, 1 screw.